Learning the alphabet is one of the first steps to literacy, and Scholastic's learning mats, Match, Trace, and Write the Alphabet, is a great tool to help children master basic alphabet recognition and phonemic awareness skills. The set contains 13 colorful, two-sided mats, 52 sturdy cardboard letters, 26 laminated alphabet picture cards, and a pack of wipe-off crayons in a reusable box that is excellent for storage. It's designed to help children learn to name the alphabet letters, match uppercase and lowercase letters, identify beginning consonant sounds, identify short and long vowel sounds, and write uppercase and lowercase letters. Included is a teaching guide detailing a variety of ways to use the puzzle pieces, including games and extension activities. The mats are ideal for small groups, individual instruction, and for use in learning centers, and can be a valuable resource for educational aides, volunteer tutors, and parents at home. Appropriate for children 5 years old and up.